Hi, I'm Dr. Jane, and this is a video that's going to look at question 1 for the June 2012 English AQA English Language exam. You've already done the first 15 minutes of the exam, and if you didn't get to see that video, you should go back and look at that because that is the first and most important key step. This video is going to look at the process, the timing, and the structure for answering question 1. Question 1 is about retrieval and understanding. All you're doing with this question is finding out 4 pieces of key information. The main problem that students have with this question is they end up writing more for question 1 than question 6. Question 1 is only worth 8 marks. Question 6 is worth 3 times. It's worth 24 marks. So the key to doing well in this question is to know how much it's worth, how much time you should spend on it, and how you should answer it. So question 1 is worth 8 marks. You should spend about 12 minutes on it, and I would expect a student to write 4 clear paragraphs. Now already during the first 15 minutes of the exam, you've figured out the focus of the question, and you've picked the 4 pieces of information that you're going to choose. You've written them on the sources, and you've picked and you've highlighted those pieces of information. Now, when it comes to writing up the answer, it should be really easy. The structure of the answer is this. You begin with a topic sentence. So you put what information they're looking for in your own words. You then you quote a relevant quotation from the text. And then finally you explain your quotation. And the key here for getting the top band is using the phrase, I infer. From this quote, I infer, or I infer. That simple 3-sentence structure can be elaborated a little bit by extending your inference, but don't waste too much time. Because if you have that basic structure and do that 4 times, you're going to get top marks. Now, I have 3 quick top hints for this question. Again, I can't emphasize enough that during the first 15 minutes when you're reading the exam, that's when you're going to get all the information done. So picking the most relevant quotes during the first 15 minutes is really important to this question. The second is try not to repeat yourself or state things that are too obvious. Don't just repeat what's in the quotation. Try to use synonyms, try to put things in your own language, try to extend your thinking. And most importantly, do not waste time on this question. The exam board gives you pages and pages to fill up, and kids feel that they should. You have 12 minutes to answer this question. You should write 4 quick paragraphs, and if you follow the structure, you will hopefully get full marks.